Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down the description of that video. So, go choose depending on your trading style and the timeline it will sort your trading style. So, let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you are you not yet a subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram or Discord. You can find our Telegram channel link down in the description of that video, and you can find our Discord server down in the description of that video. So go choose depending what you want, because in Telegram and Discord you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see today, that the daily candle here, it's finished here, and the good news here, we have 3 days now. We are going up. Let's zoom it a little bit to explain those things to you, what I'm trying to tell you here. Focus it with me here, what you're seeing. That 3 days also we are going up, but the 3 days, guys, did just today break in that level as we said yesterday here. Yes or no? That the level what also we said yesterday, that the candle will break it today. Yes or no? So now what should we do here in the daily? Here in the daily, there is nothing yet. Here in the daily, you need to wait in more till the Bitcoin breaking here, that level here. I know a lot of you, they getting bored from crypto market is very sideways those days, but guys, you need to remember that passion is the key of what is the key of success. So we need to wait until we break in here, then also we're going to enter long. If we haven't broken up, there is no entry long yet. Everything is too clear, and what we got here in the daily, we got something else very important. Let me show it to you. Here in the daily, we got that one here. You see it or no? Look at it here. That red one here, that one is the 100 moving average. Yesterday, we used to be here at the down of it. Today, we break it above. Now, what shall we do? Shall we enter long again? No, there is no entry long again. Because if you came here and you're doing something like that, let me show it to you, and you put in the volume like that and you zoom it here to try to see what the volume doing today. What you seeing today? Where is the volume? The volume today is very low. Even if we see the jump up, the volume is very low, guys. So there is no entry long yet here in the daily. In the daily, you just need to wait. If you're going to decide, just buy slowly. You don't care about nothing. But to enter from just one go, it's not yet. You need to wait more. Everything is too clear. Now let's go in to show you some on-chain data for that week. So let's go in there to see it. Here we are, the on-chain data or the on-chain indicators as we using. So the first one is that one stock flow. That one, people they've been with me, they know me, I use it a lot. And as you see it here, look at that color now, how it become now. It started getting here purple now, dark purple here, and that's a very good sign. Also, we are very close to enter like here to dark red here, and that one is going to be very close to the halving cycle like here. Every time when it happen here, it enter to the halving cycle as you see it. And look here, if we zoom it here, we will see it together. You see it or no? How the color now? Look here, how is the color being here? Sky blue is getting here blue, and now it started getting a little bit dark blue or a little bit purple there. So that indicating us we are very close to the halving cycle. That's a good news here, and it's a very good opportunity for you guys to start this day. You are very close to that cycle to start it again. That's my advice to you. Another one we got, let me show it to you. The other one we got, that was me I choose today. I choose to show you that one. The Bitcoin addresses will hold 100 Bitcoin. Here, look at that level here. where we are here, where it used to be the bottom, how that jump it happened here. Let's zoom it a little bit to explain those things to you. Look here, guys. Look at that level here. Over here, that's the bottom of the Bitcoin here, as you see it here. That one here. It's been here a jump in the addresses here. And now here, that's the top where they sell them. Here at that level here, but now there is another jump going up. That meant the bulls or the big whales, they started buying, guys. As you see it, I know it's not clear here now, but it's making like a small jump here. So you need to be focused about even that one. That's why I'll bring it for you. And the third one we got, that one is very, very important. Let me show it to you. That one here, his name, Bitcoin funding rate. That one, very, very important. That's how us we spotting the bottom very well. Look here, that jump here, when it happened, that one. When it happened here, and when it happened here, that's when big whales they bought the Bitcoin. Yes, now us only long people they buying, but there is no big whales yet entering. That's why I told you guys, for short term there is a small correction is going to happen. For long run, Bitcoin is going up, but for small or the short term, the Bitcoin, there is a small falling down is going to happen. That's why I told you it's not yet. Because if you come here and you try to draw here a level like that, what you seeing? Even if we do it like that, what you seeing? You see it or not how clear it is here? Look here at that time, that the bottom of the day of FTX here, over here, that when we started that big jump from here, and here, that the second time when we touch in here, the 200 moving average. Now we don't got any major volume here or a big well enter. That's why I told you it's not yet, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Yes, you are right, my friend. What else we said here in the 4 hours? For swing trading. As we said here, we got 2 levels here. That one here in the top and that one down here in the bottom. That the 2 levels you need to be focused about now. Forget about any other price action you see in here. I told you I'm holding 2 positions here. One long, one short. And I'm waiting. Either if we break in here, I'm going to enter long. And if we break in down here, I'm going to enter short a second time. If we break in here, I'm going to enter second time long. If we're breaking down here, I'm going to enter second time short, guys. Why I told you forget about other price actions? Because now you remember here the triangle I show you before. You remember it or no? Like that. Over here is getting broke. Yes or no? That way I told you forget about everything now, because now also we need to be focused about that one here. That level here it needs to be broken above, and that level here it needs to be broken down. That's it. That's the only thing you can be focused now. Another thing very, very, very important here in the 4 hours. Let me show it to you. The other thing we got here very important is that one. The 100 moving average. Look at it. When we touch it here, we fall down. Look at where we are now. We touch it here. Yes or no? And here, the 100 moving average is showing us we are in a downtrend. You see it or no? Where we break down from here. Now, as you see it, we touch it here. What should we do now? Should we enter short? No. Should we enter long? No. I just show you everything that here, that one, and that one here. Those ones focused about them, where is the Bitcoin is going to get broke. That distribution level, where is going to get broke. Either we're going to break above here, or we are going to break down here. That's it. That's the only thing you need to be focused about now, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go in to see our other indicator, what it's saying. Here we are, that our indicator we still here in the 4 hours. That one here, what else we said when we used to be here? We tell you over here the bears they controlling, but those bears here they showing they are weak, they are not powerful. Another thing I show it to you from that one and that one. What me I told you? I told you we got here a divergence, very clear divergence like that. And what me I told you, we are not going to enter unless if we don't break in that channel I just show you in the 4 hours. If we break it above, we are going to enter. If we break it down, we are going to enter. Now at this time, our indicator here is enter to the bull market, not a bear market. Now we are here in our indicator. Should we enter long? No, we need the price action to confirm for us, because look at it how many times here it entered, then it bounced down. You see it or no? Because till now the bulls, they still weaker. Big whales, they haven't entered. As I show you now in the on-chain data, the big whales, they haven't entered yet to the market. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, same thing. We show you got here a divergence here. We show it to you before. And what me I told you here. I told you guys we need to wait in that break here to happen. That one here. If it doesn't get broke above here, there is no entry. If it doesn't get broke down here, there is no entry. You need to be focused about that level here. Look at it how I draw it from that one, and that one. Down from here and here. That's the level you need to be focused about. That's it. Forget about everything else. And here in the top, you need to be focused here. If we break above, you need to be focused at that top of that channel I showed you before. That one here. People, they are with me. They remember all those things. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, yes, I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't. Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash that like button, write down a comment. You done it. Thank you very, 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 very much, my friend. Here in 30 minutes for scalpers, we give you here that head and shoulder here. Very clear head and shoulder here. We give it to you. We're breaking above here. We go up till here now. We're making very, very nice profit for the short. We enter a short from here, from the break of that flag here till down here. We're making very nice profit. Now at that level here, in the last video I told you we got here like that, yes or no? And here in the top like that. I told you we got here a triangle like that, very clear triangle here. Now here what we got here, look with me here at that level where we are here. We need to zoom it a little bit like that for pictures to get more clear to you. Look with me here. You came to that one here and you draw in here a line like that, very simple and clear line here. And down here you came like that and you draw in here a line like that. What you got? You got a very clear flag here. You see it or no? Flag is very simple how to trade it. If we're breaking above, that means also we are going to go more higher. If we're breaking down, that means also we are going to fall down till here. Yes or no? Now what shall we do? I just show you that flag. Look at it how clear it is. Waiting where it's going to get broke. Here or here, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator what it's saying here. Our indicator is telling us also we are here at the overbought area. Even in the last video that what me I told you. Should we enter short now? The only time you can enter short if we're breaking here, that flag here, I just show you now. That one here, it needs to be broken, that flag. You can bring it from down here like that and it's going to be working. Now, focus about that small channel I just show you here where it's going to get broke. If we're breaking above here, you enter long. If it's breaking down here, you enter short, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please guys don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it. Thank you very, 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 very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.